Hello students, today I will teach you derivative equation, differential equation. The topic is linear type. You know linear, the power of any term is 1. Okay, here derivative linear format is dy dx plus py equal to q and dx dy plus px equal to q. Here two format. Okay, when this format with respect to x, then there will be y, and this format with respect to y, there will be x. Here p and q is function of x or constant, and here p and q are function of y or constant y, or p is coefficient of y and x is here p is coefficient of x. Firstly, you have to find integrating factor. Now firstly, what is integrating factor? We have to learn what is integrating factor. Okay, last class when I told you about the exact type equation, I told you about integrating factor also. So integrating factor turn non-exact equations into exact one. In practical life, you have studied in physics, in thermodynamics part, there we use this term like integrating factor is a function that is chosen to facilitate the solving of given equation involving differentials. This is especially useful in thermodynamics where temperature becomes the integrating factor that makes entropy an exact differential. Okay, let's start the procedure of finding integrating factor. Firstly, you have to find integrating factor. That is integrating factor, that is if. If is equal to e to the power integration of p dx. Here p, what is p? P is only coefficient of y or coefficient of x. Depend on format. Okay, where p is coefficient of x. Next, you have to find, firstly you have to find integrating factor and then the solution. Here we multiplied both side integrating factor, like y into integrating factor equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx plus c. This is the format. Okay, this format, like let's see one example. Like the equation is dy dx, given question dy dx plus y cot x equal to 2 cos x. Let's see the format. Dy dx plus py equal to q. Compared to this equation with this equation, given equation, here p equal to cot x, that means coefficient of y, p equal to cot x and q equal to 2 cos x, complete term, that is constant, q equal to 2 cos x. Okay, let's see. Firstly, you have to find integrating factor. Integrating factor equal to e to the power p dx. Here p equal to cot x. Now put the value of p is cot x dx. Now you studied have trigonometry. We see the cot x, integration of cot x is log sin x. Here the value of cot x is integration is log sin x. Now let's see this format. This format is e to the power log m base e equal to, this format will be m. So here e to the power log sin x base e equal to also sin x. Then the required solution will be both side integrate, multiplying by integrating factor. What is integrating factor is, here integrating factor is sin x. Now multiplying both side by sin x. Y sin x equal to if is sin x and q is 2 cos x. 2 cos x sin x dx. You have studied in trigonometry some formulas. One formula is 2 sin theta cos theta equal to sin 2 theta. Here the format is 2 cos x sin x. You also you have to 2 sin theta cos theta compared to 2 sin theta cos theta, here 2 cos x sin x, it will be sin 2x, that is sin 2 theta, sin 2x dx plus c. Okay, y sin x equal to integration of sin 2x, integration of sin 2x is minus cos 2x by 2 plus c. Y equal to minus cos 2x, both side divided by sin x. Y cos 2x by 2 sin x plus c by sin x. Here y equal to minus half, cos 2x is also cos 2x, and 1 by sin x is cos x, plus 1 by sin x is cosec x equal into c. This is the solution of this equation. Similarly, we solve this equation, and next this now we will learn this equation. dy dx equal to y by x plus x square equal to x square, given y equal to 1 when x equal to 1. Given we have to find this solution. Here given y equal to 1 and x equal to 1. Firstly, the procedure is same. Also, this is linear form with p equal to minus 1 by x, because we can arrange this format. We can arrange this format compared to main format. The main format is dy dx plus py equal to x square. But here sign is minus. That's why I will take p equal to minus 1 by x and q equal to x square. Here we have to find integrating factor is e to the power integration of p dx, and p is minus 1 by x, and you know that integration of 1 by x is log x. Here minus log x. The minus sign is also will be x power of x and log x square, and the base of last format. This is the format. According to this format, here I will the value of e to the power log x inverse is also x inverse. Then the required solution will be multiplying both sides by integrating factor is x inverse. So y x inverse equal to x square x inverse dx plus c, and x inverse is 1 by x, that is y by x, and here x inverse is 1 by x, that is x square by x is x dx plus c, and integration of x is x square by 2. Now both sides multiplying by 2x, that is 2y equal to x cube plus 2xc. Here putting the value of given data, that is x equal to 1 and y equal to 1, and then we get c equal to half. Now putting the value of c, here 2y equal to x cube plus x. This is the solution. Similarly, we have to find this equation, also this equation, and next this equation. Lastly, I given some important formula, some important integral, some important derivative, some important integral formula and important derivative formula. This is using basic equation integration part and also derivative part, and you will learn this formula. This is 1 by x equal to log x e to the power x integration equal to e to the power x sin x dx equal to minus cos x sec tan x equal to sec tan x. That means 11 integration formula and also 11 derivative formula is something equal to transverse equal formula. Please learn sincerely. Okay, thank you.